All right. You have an extremely old car and you are hearing about all of those modern conveniences out there, such as Android Auto and CarPlay and sending texts and things like that without necessarily having to look at your phone. But you don't want to maybe spend the money, or you can't find a Best Buy to actually install a new stereo unit that has all these modern conveniences like I did. What do? Amazon. All right, I don't really support Amazon as much as maybe some do, but they are very convenient. And when I looked up how to help out my situation of moving back to an ICE car, a little bit of an older ICE car, doesn't even have Bluetooth, I was looking on some of the sites there and noticed they have these new kind of things. Or maybe it's new to me anyway. I didn't know these were out there. So I'm putting it out there for those of you that are looking for this. They're basically little screens that you can attach on top of your stereo, your dashboard, that will Bluetooth Android Auto or CarPlay into your old car. And they're pretty easy to install. And I think they work pretty good. There are some issues that I have that I will definitely talk about, but overall, it's great. So if you like this, I'm JP. This is Fireside Chat about tech and things that will help you out, maybe in life. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Welcome to my awesome ICE car. All right. How's it going, everybody? This is JP, and this is my beautiful ICE car. Please enjoy the scenery. Yes. Oh, yes. Got the car seat back there. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Keep it kind of clean here, all right? I try to not have too much in the car. But it's a little bright out. And you know what? You didn't want to see me. You wanted to see this. Hear that old engine purr. Honestly, it's a great car. Can't really complain about that. And I can't really complain because I fixed one of my main issues with not having a nice modern car like an electric car, which is not having any kind of navigation system or be able to play music. And definitely, I do not want to be on my phone while I'm driving. I have kids. And I just want to stay alive and not hurt people. So this particular head unit is pretty interesting because basically it connects via Bluetooth to your phone, and you can basically mirror, just like you would any other car, some of the CarPlay feature, well, all the CarPlay features, really. So I've upgraded, by the way, to the beta for iOS 26. I can't help myself. It's working okay. It's a little gimmicky in some cases, but I do like the new little layout they got here for Apple Music. Highly recommend it, particularly this little pinned section here. It's going a little slow. Maybe it's because I'm running the video here. All right. Anyway, what is great about this particular device? Well, it's really cheap. I'm talking I think $6 maybe on sale. It's a nice wide screen, and it's pretty low maintenance. You kind of have to have some kind of power source. So I was lucky enough to have a USB-A port that I found an old cable for, and I was able to plug that in. And then you can, if you have Bluetooth in your car, you are much better off than I am, because one of the main issues, which I'll get to later, deals with Bluetooth. But it does have an aux cable, the aux as the kids say, which is really nice. And I plug that in right here, and then it starts right up. I'm not going to play anything now because I don't want to get copyright hit for anything. But honestly, it works great. Starts up immediately, plays music really well. The one caveat I will say for mine is I don't have a way to clearly call people. It does take calls, but my wife says she can't really hear me very well. I've kind of mitigated with that by holding up the iPhone microphone like section there, like on the bottom, to my mouth, and it says he hears me better. So I'm assuming that it probably is using the mic on the iPhone, which makes sense because this car doesn't have a mic. So if you have a Bluetooth connection that you can call people and things like that in your car, hey, then maybe the Bluetooth will work and you can make calls, no problem. I did have that problem. And honestly, I mean, what am I going to do? So overall, in terms of my review for this thing, you know, I would give it maybe a B. It definitely is a nice Band-Aid for me to use while I'm using this car. And when I need to upgrade, obviously I can get all the new bells and whistles. But for now, it works fine. You know, you can go to your maps and you can go to like your phone and your messages, all that kind of stuff. Works great. All right, that's it for now. Thanks a lot, and I hope this helps somebody.